Let's learn how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome with just one click of a button. This is going to work for both PC or laptop devices, and it will work in any version of Google Chrome. So you want to navigate over to google.com, and in Google, you want to type Chrome Web Store. We will then open this specific link, and that is going to open the Google Chrome Web Store, where we will have to install a free extension. So in the search bar right here, you want to type dark mode, and then hit enter on your keyboard. That is going to show us all of the different extensions that allow us to enable dark mode inside of our Google Chrome browser. But I suggest that you find this specific extension that has the moon icon next to it. This will allow us to enable or disable dark mode with a single on or off switch. So I've opened this specific extension, and what I will do is to add it to Chrome, then click on the Add Extension option and wait a couple of seconds until it installs in our browser. When it does install, you will see this Dark Mode has been added to Chrome option, and in order to enable or disable dark mode, click on this extension's icon, then select Dark Mode, and that's it. As you can see, we've enabled dark mode in Chrome with just a click of a button. You can disable it the same way, and if this doesn't work for some reason and it's still white, then exit Google Chrome completely and then relaunch the browser. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.